Okay, I'm leaning up against my car because I really need a tripod. And the lighting's like really bad, and you can see the car's moving. Okay, but my parking light on this side went out, and on the other side works. Oh, I just cut off my head. So we're gonna replacing it. I think this is the right bulb. It's the long life ones. It's the 921. If you can see that, 921. So yeah, we're gonna be fixing that, and then I cut off my head again, and then hopefully that should fix all the light problems I've had with this car. The first light problem was that the main lights were hot wired in and the brights didn't work, and I had to get a new switch. And the tail lights when I first got the car didn't work, so I had to change those out. And then the front parking lights, front turn signal lights didn't work, so I changed those out. So, and it's just down to this one to get all the lights figured out. So we're going to check that one and show you how this one works and that one doesn't, and then we're going to put this in. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see, this one is on, and then I'm going to have to open the garage door for this. Please open up. Ah, it's locked. It's locked. Fuck. I did that with one hand. All these lights work. The license plate light works. Ow. I just hit that. But then down here, this doesn't work. So we're gonna have to pop this off and then put a new one. No, I don't really think we're gonna have to pop it off. But yeah. Okay, the lighting is probably terrible, but to get this to the side marker, all you need is a flat tip. So now we're gonna pull this housing off, and then we're going to put the new light bulb and then put it back, and it should be good. Okay, I got the wrong light again. You can see the it just fell on the floor. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so you can see that this light is a whole lot smaller than this light. So I'm gonna keep this video where it's at. I'm gonna get the right light, and then we're gonna continue it and put the right light. So sorry, and yeah, I'm gonna try to finish this video, but I got the right lights, so we should be able to put these in. And it's actually good it's daytime because you can see what happened. So we pop this off, and then with a flat tip, and we're gonna put the new light on, and then we should check it, and everything should be good. Okay, let me turn that off. Okay, I don't know why I just turned it off. Turn the key, lights are on, brights work, and then this light works, and this light works. Now we just have to put on the casing, put it back, and it should be good. So everything's back on again, and this light works. So all the lights are fixed on the car. So let's go and turn it off. Ooh. So please like, comment, and subscribe. I just dropped a screwdriver. And try to do a new video every Monday and Friday. But thanks for watching. Okay, bye.